This is a demo of Spaces Engine, a great way of allowing your community members to create business pages on your BuddyBoss site. Today we're going to walk through making this not too shaggy dog grooming demo business. Once you click on a space, you have the ability to add a promotional video. Your clients can message you directly. You can add reviews, a map. You can communicate and post things on your timeline with GIFs, and your customers can reply. You can add your team members if you want. You can have a more detailed about section to give information about your business, places for them to follow you on social media, and you can list all of your different services. Here we go. We go from our spaces overview, create a space. We're going to enter the name. We're going to select a category. I pre-made the categories in the back end. We're going to select a location. Describe it in a few words. This is the small description. I've copied and pasted so you don't have to sit through that. And then we hit create space. So now it's created. We can go right to it, or right here we can add a profile picture and a cover image. And then we can visit our new space. Don't forget to save first, then click Visit Space. So here we are. A lot of stuff is already filled out from previously. And I'm going to go ahead to Settings and start filling in more information. So here I can put a much longer description about my company. And this will be shown on the About tab. Save settings. And let's see what media is. So we could upload another profile image or cover image. The About tab is where you can add your phone number, WhatsApp if you want it, email address, web address. That physical address will be used if you've added a map. Under tabs and buttons, you have the various tabs that will appear for the user when they visit your page, and you can turn them off if you don't want some of them shown. And then we've got social networks. So these will be where people can follow you. And then we've got work hours, where you can enter your availability, and it will show on the right-hand side of your profile as long as the admin has set that in the widget settings. Lastly, we have the sidebar, which is where you can choose to show the map if the admin has set that up with the Google API, and you can show your team members. If we go back to our Home tab, it's a great place to interact with your audience. You can create timeline updates, you can add animated GIFs or GIFs, whichever you prefer. On the right, you'll see your social networks under the Follow Us section, and you'll see your opening hours. And if you click on those, it will show all of your opening hours that you've set for the week. If you choose Get Directions, it'll give you directions to the location on the Google map. And of course, no business is complete without services. So let's go ahead and add some for our grooming business. You can add the service name, details about it, and a link label for the button. If you have a button leading to an external website, you can choose what kind of pricing. Does it start at a certain amount? Is it a fixed amount? And a link to your website service if needed. So I'm going to add an image for my service. And save. And there's our first service. And I can add another one now. I'll speed this up so you don't have to sit through an entire one again. And I'll add a third one as well. There we go. Magic. I almost forgot my favorite part of the tabs and buttons section, the video. This is where you can add a YouTube link if you have an ad or you talking about your business. And it will appear right in the middle of the cover photo, this lovely play button, so they can click on it and learn more about your business or meet you, whatever you want. Now we'll look at it from the user's perspective of writing a review. So once they've gone to my page, they can just click Write a Review, enter the title, their review details. They can add images if they want. And then they are prompted to submit their rating if they haven't done so already. And they can submit the review. There it is. Thanks, John. We have one last exciting feature to talk about, that is messaging. Users can go right to your page and message your business directly. So John's going to do that. He's sending Shaggy, our grooming service, a message. And there it is. It appears on their profile under Spaces, Messages. From the business owner point of view, you get a notification that somebody sent you a message. And if you click on it, it takes you right to your page, to the inbox, where you can reply to their message. As the business owner, you can also view your spaces from your profile. So you just go to your BuddyBoss profile, there are the spaces that you manage. You can create a space there as well, or just click on it, and then you can go to your inbox and view previous messages with customers. And if we click on the Spaces menu link, which is just a custom menu link, we will see that our Not Too Shaggy Dog Grooming is right there.